तो गाइज हम आ चुके हैं एट द नेक्स्ट सेक्शन वेयर मोर कार्स आर डिस्प्लेड, द रोल्स रॉयसेस, द बेंटलीज, जो कि आप मेरे सामने देख सकते हो. बट मेक श्योर यू डोंट जज मी बेस्ड ऑन द नेम्स बिकॉज आई एम वेरी पुअर एट रिकग्नाइजिंग दीज टाइप ऑफ विंटेज कार्स. आई एम जस्ट लर्निंग, यू नो. मैं उस जर्नी में हूँ, सीख रहा हूँ नाम और स्पेसिफिकेशंस एंड ऑल. सो गाइज द कार विच इज़ इन फ्रंट ऑफ अस इज़ अ 2008 Bentley Brooklyn Scoop, and this is owned by MK Pratap Singh Gaikwad of Baroda. I mean, he's a Maharaj, so you know, you need to have some Maharaja type cars. Whenever you see this emblem on any number plate, you got to know that this car is of Mr. Pratap Singh Gaikwad. यहाँ पर एक Rolls Royce की Silver Spur Saloon मस्त लग रही है यार. I mean, ये जो cars and the grass, ये जो भी सीन है ना, इतना बढ़िया फील दे रहा है. मैं आपको क्या बताऊँ, आई एम फीलिंग कि भाई मैं यूएस वगैरह में आ गया हूँ, क्योंकि ये सीन्स यूजुअली उस साइड देखने मिलते हैं. एंड द कार्स, द ग्रास, द म्यूजिक, इट्स द बेस्ट थिंग टू स्टार्ट द 2025. सो यहाँ पर है द रोल्स रॉयस सिल्वर स्पर सलून, एंड here is a 1949 Rolls Royce Silver Bridge Saloon. This is owned by the man himself, Mr. Gautam Singhania. So you know these cars gotta be in immaculate condition. आगे बढ़ते हैं. There are some more cars. Another Rolls Royce as you see, and this one silver जो है, this is the 1928 Rolls Royce Phantom 1 limousine. So here's a closer view of the car. I mean, the 1928 Phantom owned by Mr. Gautam Singhania. एक और है, this is a Rolls Royce Phantom 2 Cabriolet. आप देख सकते हो, this has got a convertible roof which is a soft top. Check this Rolls Royce out boys, कितनी लंबी है. This has definitely got to be one of my favorite Rolls Royces out here in India. This particular one resides in Mumbai I guess, and कभी कभी आपको हॉर्निमन सर्कल पे भी देखने मिलेगी ये गाड़ी. So if you are going to spot cars on Harman Circle, you might find this one. The Rolls Royce badge on the wheel, if you can see, bro. I mean, there's a reason we are not allowed inside this section, because these cars are so valuable that you cannot risk anyone being near the car. And if you can read, this is a 1935 Rolls Royce Phantom 2 Continental Coupe. This is massive यार. आप देख सकते हो इसका स्पिरिट ऑफ एक्सटेसी. एंड अभी मेरे सामने है वन ऑफ द प्राइज्ड पोजीशन ऑफ मिस्टर योहान पूनावाला. दिस इज़ द 1933 रोल्स रॉयस फैंटम 2 कॉन्टिनेंटल स्पोर्ट्स टूरिंग सलून. आई नो ये बहुत बड़ा नाम है, एंड दैट्स ऑल्सो हाउ मच बिग द कार इज़. इफ़ यू कैन सी, दिस इज़ अ वेरी स्पेशल कार. इस पर probably in coming months I might be making a reel, क्योंकि this particular shade, if you know, this is a very unique shade. I mean, if you go into the depth of the history of this car, you'll know a lot of things, and that's the reason the car is valued so much, and it's one of the, as I previously said, the prized possessions of Mr. Yohan Poonawalla. Definitely in coming time we might get to see this car in another event, or probably if a private tour. Well, shout out to the DJ for playing non-copyright songs, क्योंकि आपको पता है वीडियोस पे कॉपीराइट लग जाता है. By the way, here what we have is a 1937 Rolls Royce Phantom 2 Sports Saloon, and even this is owned by Mr. Singhania. You can read initials over there, Phantom 3 sedan, and यहाँ पर इसका info है. So yeah, crazy shade यार. Comment करो, how many times have you seen this shade on a vintage Rolls Royce? Of course we checked out the Rolls Royces. It's now time for the Bentley. भाई check करो क्या क्लास लग रही है गाड़ी. I mean bro, the big, I guess it's a V12 under the hood, and ये जो स्टाइल है ना, कि जो आगे बड़ा इंजन रखी है and the less space at the back. I mean the driver और बोनट के बीच में जो डिस्टेंस है, that is usually big in such cars, and that's a 1935 Bentley 3.5 liter sports DSC owned by जगदीश ठाकर से. Probably मैं फर्स्ट टाइम देखा हूँ ये गाड़ी, एंड आई थिंक VCCI के इवेंट पे शायद से आई थी, आई एम नॉट श्योर. एंड दिस हैज़ बीन ऑल्सो नेम्ड एज टैल्कर 35. वेल गाइज, वहाँ पर भी बहुत सारे कार्स जो कवर करने हैं. सो जल्दी से आई विल गिव यू अ शॉर्ट टूर और वॉक अराउंड ऑफ द कार्स दैट आर प्रेजेंट ओवर हियर. दिस इज द 1920 Rolls Royce Silver Ghost Tourer owned by Syed Ibrahim, and this is like हर एक गाड़ी यूनिक और अलग है. This Rolls Royce has got only 2 seats, if you can see, and there's some other space at the back. Probably वो cover है, so there might be 4 seats if I'm wrong, but I guess there are 4 seats. I guess वो सिर्फ cover की है, and जो carriage luggage के लिए जो boxes है, these are one of the few things on the car which make it more valuable. If you can see, it has मतलब वो lock लगा है अभी भी. So this is the thing where Rolls Royce comes into picture. The small detailing done on the car. Here's another 1926 Rolls Royce 20 horsepower sports saloon. वो जो sun आ रहा है and the car. I mean check out यार कैसा लग रहा है. Well, now it's time for the 1929 Rolls Royce 20 horsepower open tourer. By the name you could get an idea why this is called an open tourer. Let's move on ahead. भाई यहाँ पर है एक और Rolls Royce. I guess it's a Phantom 2 if I'm not wrong. Even a similar model is owned by YZP himself. And एक और Rolls Royce. भाई bro क्या प्यारी लग रही है ये Rolls Royce. Check this out यार. I guess this has to be a Wraith because of the body styling and all. Bro, I guess this is the coolest or the best looking Rolls Royce out here. I mean like I'm just out of words क्योंकि इतने सारे Rolls Royces. A fun fact or an interesting fact that ये जो पुराने वाले Rolls Royce है, the vintage Rolls Royce are actually more expensive, probably double the price or triple the price than your modern Rolls Royce. So a Rolls Royce is not just a car, it's actually an investment. So that's where it comes into the picture. Purple paint on a Rolls Royce with a golden split of ecstasy definitely has to be a person with the same taste as of mine in the cars. Well, that's 1933 Rolls Royce 20/22 horsepower open tourer, and ये भी रेमंड के ओनर गौतम सिंघानिया की है. So that's a 1930s Rolls Royce Phantom 2 limousine. How crazy is that? बढ़ते हैं आगे. Here we have got a 1922 Rolls Royce Silver Ghost limousine, and this is owned by Dr. Raghupath Singhania. Well, एक और Rolls Royce, and this has the number plates RJQ30. This is owned by Madhi Mohan. This 25/30 HP open tourer. Well, the car in the frame is the 1938 Rolls Royce 25/30 horsepower Razor Edge Sports Saloon, and this is owned by Mr. Rajiv Kher. And finally the car which put India to the global map. This is Mr. Johan Poonawala's 1949 Bentley Mark IV Touring Saloon. This car has so much history. This car has put India on the map of automobiles because this car has particularly won a lot of international awards like on the Concours d'Elegance and many more. So I might forget a few, but this is the pride of India. Coming on to the last car, यहाँ पर है a 1947 Bentley Mark IV Saloon. If you can see the Bentley logo, these cars are just so beautiful, and this is owned by Harsh Singhania. So that was a small tour of the cars that are present over here. We just saw all the cars that were present over here. So yes guys, this pretty much sums up the cars that are here in this section of Rolls Royces and Bentleys. There are more vintage cars जो कि उस साइड गेस्ट हाउस के साइड एक बिल्डिंग में है. So I guess that would take another vlog. I'm so sorry. This auto fest is so big. I told you 200 plus cars and that too so many vintage cars. So I guess उसके लिए एक और पार्ट बनाना पड़ेगा, and that part will be posted soon on YouTube या probably YouTube पे मैंने डाल भी दिया होगा. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. अगर आपने इंस्टा पे follow नहीं किया तो make sure you follow. So yes guys, that was it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Stay tuned, stay raving and stay happy.